Evening. Welcome back to Tech Talk Live's Who's Who. Today's special guest that we have is Barbara Abeyta. She's a nail pro coach. So good morning, Barbara.
Good morning. Good morning.
Hey, tell us more about you. How long have you been in the beauty industry?
I've been doing my nails for 28 years. However, I've been licensed in the beauty industry for about 13 and a half years. So I've been doing my own nails forever, never. And I remember, being in school and mentioning that I wanted to become a nail tech, and they told me, "Oh, no. You don't want to do that. That's for high school dropouts. You don't want to do that." And so I was influenced by my counselors and my dad to become a CPA. So that's what I did. I set a journey on. I was an insurance agent for about 15 years. Went to school, got my bachelor's degree, was on my way to master's when I realized I don't want to do this. Like, this is not fun. I want to talk to people. I want to socialize. I want to connect, not just crunch numbers all day long. So I decided to go to nail school. And I mean, it just so happened I've been waiting for just a nail only school to come up, and there wasn't any for so long. And every time I went into school, they wanted, me to do the full Cosmo. And I'm like, I don't want to do the Cosmo. I don't want to touch hair. I just want to do nails. Just let me do nails. And so finally in 2004, there was a school here in Colorado Springs, Colorado, and I signed up for it right away, fell in love with it. I was only going to do it part-time. But fell in love with it and been doing it ever since. Like, it's totally my passion. I absolutely love doing nails. And now with coaching, I've been doing coaching now for 10 years in the personal development arena for just that long, maybe a little bit longer. And I just absolutely love it because it works so well with my clients, as well as empowering and inspiring the nail pros out there, because that's my passion.
Yes, absolutely. Well, I'm glad that you didn't go for the accountant side of it. Although in the nail industry, we all know that we need a very good accountant. So,
Yes,
but I'm
we
glad that
do.
you followed your passion for that and then went to the next level of coaching. So, is your coaching like online or is it in person?
It's online and in person. I prefer to do it in person because I can really connect with people. I can read body language. I can see energy. Sometimes people like to hide and avoid. In person, I can really see that. I can do it as Zoom, and I've done it several times in Zoom. I have to make sure there's no distractions and I'm really focused. It can be done. I prefer it in person. That's why I really enjoy my nail pro retreats, because that's really down dirty in person and really makes a huge impact.
Absolutely. So when you do a retreat, it's a group setting, but do you also find that you can do it as a one-on-one as well?
Yes, yeah, I do small groups, no more than 20. I've done two. One, I had 10 people, and the other one I had four. And they're always different because it's based on, who's in the class. And so a lot of people say, what are the nail pro retreats about? And it's really hard to pinpoint because it's about the students in the class. Like, the content is the same, the delivery might change a little bit. I might throw something else in there because I see a nail pro really is struggling with something or needs help in an area that, I didn't think we were going to cover before. And, I just kind of have that flow with attitude and just kind of give what the nail pros need.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. That's a lot. Us nail pros need a whole lot.
Yeah.
And so, what's your favorite part about, well, one, being in the nail industry, but then what's your favorite part about coaching?
Oh my gosh, my favorite part about coaching is it's like pulling out the greatness in people that they don't see for themselves. I see the greatness in them. I see, the skills and the business and the passion, but yet they have this limited belief. They have this self-talk that's in their mind, and it's like a barrier that holds them back. So my passion, I mean, absolutely love is just to go in and just help break down those walls so they can just shine through the greatness that was always there. Like, it's just, It's awesome. It's amazing. I just love it. Absolutely
I
love it.
think what's another great advantage that you have is that not only do you work in a salon, you understand the salon setting and you understand the building of the clientele and trying to get the funding to get all the products and get yourself a booth and get your, so being in truly in the salon industry, you can relate to the struggles that we have and those fears and the anxieties. And so that's a wonderful advantage.
Yeah, and I've
Oh,
done it all. Like I've been booth rent, I've been commission, I've been a salon manager, I've been a salon owner. Like I've done it all. Now I'm at home in my very own little nail suite, and I absolutely love it. So in the last 10 years of having my own salon, like I grew a lot and was able to work with all different kinds of, hairstylists and estheticians and booth renters and commission, and just really got to understand the industry and what really holds us back. And we're all connected, even though we may specialize in different things. We're all connected. We all touch lives. And if we really focus on that aspects of touching lives, oh my gosh, you can grow your business significantly. I mean, I'm telling you.
absolutely. You gave me goosebumps actually when you talked about that because I too can relate. Oh, that's amazing. How do we sign up for the Nail Pro retreat? And then how do we sign up to be able to do some of your online and in-person coaching?
The online and impersonal coaching, you can go to barbaraabeyta.com, and it's called Nail Pro Coaching. You can actually request an appointment, and then I have to approve it, and we go from there. The Nail Pro Retreat, the next one is in Las Vegas, November 3rd through the 5th. And that's because, I got challenged by another nail group that I think is the Nail Tribe. Because it was one of my goals to get another class going and build it up. And they're like, well, the best little nail show in Texas was going to be in Vegas, and they pulled out, and we have a bunch of, airline tickets that are unrefundable. So why don't you do it then? So I was just like, okay, challenge accepted. So that's what I did. So yeah, so I got a venue. It's actually at a salon, Hera Beauty Shop in Vegas, and they just remodeled a space next to their salon just to do education. It's about a 900 square foot space that they're really going to focus on just education, all different types of education. So this is going to be something really beneficial for everybody in our industry in the future as well.
Yes, and what a great way to step in and still give all these people who have non-refundable tickets and have planned this into their schedule, step in and be able to make that such a positive experience. Oh, that's
Right.
perfect. Oh,
Yeah.
that's wonderful. So is there a website that they need to sign up for that as well, or do they go to your Barbara?
Right. I don't have it on my website right now. It's early bird check-in still. If they want to sign up for the early bird, it's $280 right now. Just text me at my number 719-648-4766. I'll send you the link to pay. And then after that, if you go on the Facebook event page, it's called Nail Pro Retreat Las Vegas. There's an Eventbrite link to sign up there. And
One.
I think after September 5th is when the early bird ends, and then it's 300.
Yeah, nice. Great
Actually,
pricing as well.
it's actually 250 right now, not 280. I think it's 250.
Even better.
Yeah,
The
yeah,
early bird discount.
right. But
And we
it's
all know that Vegas is, there's so many of our nail shows and stuff that happen in Vegas. And so we always say what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, but the knowledge that we gain at our nail shows never stays in Vegas. We get to take that home with us. Absolutely. And so it's fun because it's worldwide and international. So does your workshops cover worldwide or do you stay within the US?
right now I'm staying within the US. I do have plans. I mean, I really want to grow this. I even want coaches in the future, because I really think our industry, especially the nail pros, because that's my passion, we really need this type of work. Yes, the skill is business. Yes, the business and the skill is very important. But if your mindset is not on track, you're really going to hold yourself back to the greatness that you can actually make a difference in this world. So, and make a lot of money. because you can touch people and touch their hearts, and they're going to want to come back because of that. So
It's so true. You know, being in the industry for all these years, the relationships that you gain from your clients is a family relationship. And so with that, there's so much more than just doing their nails. And so,
right, so
yeah.
much.
Yeah. Barbara, thank you so much for sharing your time with us today. Good luck at the Nail Pro Retreat. Good luck with all of your online, ventures that you have going on, not only in salon, but outside. And we need you in our industry. So thank you for being a Tech Talk Who's Who.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Bye. Bye, everyone.